Fight on. Oh, they cut us off, didn't they? They cut us off, didn't they? 7-Eleven. They was just cruising me, man. I don't think good. He got his stick shift. That boy rolling. Another 7-Eleven. Two ladies on the bike. Big ass bus. And down we go. Is this the bus station? Oh, turn. I see. Very good. Yes, gangster. We got that gangster lead, man. We swerving on him. We swerved on him. The signature. Cafe. Deep, it's the harder. Get into the harder. There's that hotel here. I can stay there for 300. That's it. That's a good spot to stay at. Yeah, that's a good spot. 500. Some cars for 500. Smoke. Right. That ride. So you pass all that traffic. You passing all kinds of traffic. You're a gangster. My driver a gangster, yo. He is not playing, no joke. Cut, swerving on him. Swerving on him. What up? Chicago, baby. Nice bike, man. There we go. Bright lights, big city. Get your Nixie, your ice cream, and they got every motherfucking thing. Man, this place is fucking unreal, man. It's like on steroids. You can only imagine what's in Thailand. If you could only imagine. Oh man, beautiful. Oh. Yeah, that boy ride. That's all I gotta say. We already halfway home, I know. It was supposed to be in like 13 minutes. We did that shit in like 10.
Có chạm bên chứ nữa. Big
man, big. Big man. It look alright. He's still riding it. It's handling me, ain't it? Big man.
Giờ mình chạy hay là tha 2 คน lúc mà mình
Look at we got in the pink up there.
ขับลำบากมากเลยตัวอย่างเงี้ย
Big man. There's people everywhere, bro. Nobody on the bus. What's that shit say? Yeah, bro. Bright lights. Big city. Those chilling. Bright lights. Big city. Just had the tire about flat with my big fat ass on here. Yeah, we about there now. It's the only spot we got stopped at that whole time. And we're off. Look at it ride. Bright lights, big city. Get your gold. Shit, you can't make this shit up. swerving. That's how it be. People swerving. Bunting, side, niceys, wherever nice on a nice scooter. We got more bars over here. Free market over here. We're getting close to home now. Pattaya. Fresh fruit. I'm home now. You got me home. I'm good right here, bro. You drop me off right here. You hear me? Yep, I'm good right here. Right here. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. You got me where I need to be. All right.